Actually, should have read this first one. The County Assembly of Kiambu, and is signed by Mr. William Karari, location of the operating license of the aforementioned nightclub. Himself. Yes, and
I, Joseph Givenji Mungara, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly, member of Mogoga Ward in Kiambu County. So help me God.
Promise which was made during campaign, we shall make sure by the leadership which will be offered by Honorable Mungara, they will be implemented, because we had considered that in our budget, because we passed what we call program-based budget. And I want to thank him and congratulate him for being sworn in. And me as the majority leader, I'm very happy because nobody or no other party has been able to score goal on my net. Indeed, we've been able to retain the membership and the numbers, and the Jubilee is still strong in Kiambu, and it is still strong in Kenya.
We will now work as a block, as Mogoga Ward, not Upper Mogoga or Lower Mogoga. I'm going to work for Mogoga as a block, not being divided that we have Upper Mogoga, Middle Mogoga, or Lower Mogoga. Because I cannot identify the votes that were given to me, or those guys who never voted for me. So since I cannot differentiate between those who voted for me and those who did not vote for me, I'm going to work for all of them as one.